Hey there, financial wizards. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for managing your money in 2025. Today's video is all about how to transfer money from PayPal to your debit card. Whether you're a freelancer waiting on payments or just tidying up your finances, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring funds in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have the PayPal app or website open on your device. If you're on the app, it's super intuitive. Start by logging into your PayPal account with your email and password. Security is key, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled for 2025's enhanced protections. Once you're logged in, head over to your PayPal wallet or balance section. This is usually found on the home screen or in the menu. Here, you'll see your available balance. Exciting, right? Now, look for the Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds option. In 2025, PayPal has streamlined this process, so it should be front and center. Next, select your debit card as the destination. If you haven't linked it yet, you'll need to add it now. Just enter your card details, and PayPal will verify it quickly. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any potential fees, as rates might have updated for 2025 based on your location. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll get a summary of the transaction. Review everything carefully, then approve it. Depending on your bank, the money could hit your debit card in as little as a few minutes or up to a couple of business days. Always keep an eye on your email for confirmation notifications. A quick tip for 2025. With new regulations, check if instant transfers are available in your region. They could speed things up. And remember, if you run into any issues, PayPal's Help Center is packed with resources. There you have it, folks. That's how you easily transfer money from PayPal to your debit card this year. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.